And so what AI does for us is is gradually increasing bids for every single target and every single campaign multiple times a day, trying to find data and trying to get to that significance state where you have plenty of clicks, you have plenty of orders, and we know exactly how to bid each of those targets.
AI can manage all your ads automatically with what would otherwise require constant monitoring and thousands of changes to things like keyword targeting and bidding. In this conversation with Robbie from Ecommerce, we take a deep dive into the concept for how AI can unlock new opportunities for sellers and also how it makes advertising at scale accessible and easy to do. Let's jump in and let's hear what Robbie has to say.
How are you leveraging AI to drive results, to drive performance in advertising?
Really, the backbone of our tool, Flywheel 2 at Teka, is our bidder. Without AI, our bidder doesn't exist, and our team is manually managing bids. Wouldn't recommend it. Not very fun. Done it before, and it's not fun. From the AI perspective, where this is super helpful is obviously we want our campaigns and our clients' campaigns and keywords that they're targeting to get data and to get to that value-based state of bidding where our tool looks at clicks, conversion rate, orders, and sales, and we have plenty of data for keywords that we know exactly how to bid that. But where AI really comes into play is when we don't have that data. So think about launching 100 new campaigns. They have no data on day one, very little probably on day two. What our team does and where AI again comes into play is that discovery phase where you don't have any clicks. And so what AI does for us is is gradually increasing bids for every single target and every single campaign multiple times a day, trying to find data and trying to get to that significance state where you have plenty of clicks, you have plenty of orders, and we know exactly how to bid each of those targets. Our bidder is not just increasing bids infinitely and pushing spend to levels that you're not comfortable with. There are definitely mechanisms and guardrails in place to limit that.
So thousands of campaigns are being optimized. What is life like taking our tool out of the equation?
So from a campaign launch point of view, launching hundreds of campaigns at one time, you can do it in bulk through Amazon's platform, but you would put a starting bid. So 50 cents, you would have to pick something. And there are some benchmarks Amazon provides, but a lot of times those data points aren't they're not based in actual reality. So you would have to go in. You'd have to
starting bid for a fresh campaign.
For a fresh campaign, starting bid. You would have to manually go into either every single campaign or use a bulk tool within Amazon to increase those as often as you want. We recommend doing it a couple times a day. So that would be you going in and making these adjustments multiple times a day, every single day, at the keyword level or the product target level to try to find that data significance point. And without AI and without automation, that would be our analyst's job. They wouldn't have time for really anything else except bid management.
Talk to me about the interaction between the user and the tool. So AI right now is, from what I understand at least, it's part human in the loop and part the machine. So what is that dynamic like? Like how much is human being weighed with, how much is human combined with AI at this point in time?
Yeah, so we're in Flywheel a good bit, and our analysts are. And this isn't something, you definitely can't set and forget it. But even then, once you do set ACoS targets and the tool is doing its work in the back end, we're checking in every single day. So one of the first things our analysts will do when they log on every day is hop into Flywheel, hop into Amazon, see what the data looks like, and raise or lower ACoS targets within our tool as needed. And that is definitely a high priority task for our team.
Hey, thank you so much for joining this conversation about artificial intelligence. There's a lot to dive into when it comes to AI and e-commerce. Things are changing at a really rapid pace, and we're experiencing a lot of this ongoing. So subscribe to this channel to keep up to date with all things AI and e-com. And of course, to gain access to artificial intelligence in e-commerce, sign up for Ecommerce for free. You can start leveraging AI right now today in your own e-commerce operations and your own advertising on Amazon, Walmart, and beyond. And it's free to sign up and to check out. So click below to sign up for Ecommerce Flywheel 2.0 for free, and we'll see you there.